Okay friends, let's get started by disconnecting our negative battery terminal. Once that's loose, set it aside so it's making no contact with your battery. Let's go ahead and remove this lower panel from underneath the steering column. Set this aside. Now with that panel out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our unit right here. You're going to find two mounting bolts, one located right there and then one down here. Remove the pair. Now with that down, we have a nice clear view of the mounting point for the wiring. Go ahead and remove that bolt as well. There it is, friends. Now with your kit, you're going to notice that it came with this plastic piece as well. If you were going to be replacing that, you just come right underneath this area here and then pry it right up and off of there. Now with that out of the way, inspect all these terminal ends. If you see any funny colors, once again, it's probably corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. Ours looks great, so I'm going to continue. To put on this piece right here, I'm just going to line up this little carved out edge with the carved out edge on here and then press it on. Listen for a nice click and make sure it's secured. All right, let's go ahead and get this on there. Make sure you have the carved out area matched up. Slide it in, and then snug up your bolt. Double check to make sure it's secured. Now it's going to be time to mount this back to the steering column. Pay attention to this piton right across here. You want to make sure that that lines up with this area underneath the steering column. It should fit right in. Once it's in, start in both of your bolts and then snug them up. Fits right in. Now let's get this cover on as well. Just line up our screw holes here. Push it in, quarter turn. Now let's reconnect in our battery and tighten it up.